In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Affirm at Walmart. Affirm lets you split purchases into manageable payments at partner stores, and Walmart is one of them. You can use Affirm in 3 simple ways: directly at checkout with Walmart, through the Affirm mobile app, or on affirm.com. No matter which route you choose, the process is designed to be fast, clear, and secure. Let's start with the most straightforward option, using Affirm right at Walmart checkout. Add the items you want to your cart and proceed to checkout. When you get to payment options, choose Affirm. You'll be asked to enter your mobile number and select Continue. If this is your first time, you'll create an account by providing a few basic details. Affirm will text a 6-digit verification code to your phone. Enter that code to confirm it's really you. From there, Affirm will quickly let you know if you're approved for this purchase. If approved, you'll see your payment options, including the number of payments, the monthly amount, and any interest. Review the terms carefully and confirm to complete your order. If you prefer to set things up beforehand, you can do it in the Affirm app. Download the free app from the App Store or Google Play, then enter your mobile number to get started. First-time users will create an account, and you'll again verify your phone with a 6-digit code sent by text. In the app, tell Affirm where you're shopping, select Walmart, and enter how much you plan to spend. Affirm will evaluate your request and let you know if you're approved. The app walks you through the rest, making it easy to move from approval to checkout. You can do the same from a computer at affirm.com. Sign in to your Affirm account or create one if you're new. As before, you'll receive a 6-digit verification code by text to confirm your identity. Then let Affirm know you're shopping at Walmart and the amount you need. You'll see whether you're approved and what payment plans are available, and you can follow the prompts to finish your purchase. A few tips to keep everything smooth: keep your phone nearby for the verification code, double check that your cart total, including taxes and shipping, matches what you enter with Affirm, and review the payment schedule and cost before you confirm. Paying on time helps you avoid fees and keeps your account in good standing. And remember, availability and terms can vary by purchase and location, so always go with the options shown to you during checkout. That's it. Now you know exactly how to use Affirm at Walmart.